Just like humans, robots need to log into systems to complete their tasks. In our beginner's course, you build a robot that logs to a company intranet. However, the robot implementation does not follow best practices regarding storing secrets such as credentials. Currently, the login credentials are hard-coded in the robot file. The best practice is to store secrets in a vault. When developing the robot locally, you can store the secrets in a vault file. A vault file is a text file in JSON format. The best practice is to store the vault file in your user home folder. Open the terminal or the command prompt and create a new file called vault.json. In this case, the name of the secret is robots_bin and it contains two key value pairs, one for the username and another for the password. The next step is to tell your robot where to find the vault file. Inside your robot root folder, create a new folder called dev_data. Next, create a new file called env.json. Define the secret manager and the secret file. The file path should point to your vault.json file. On Windows, use double backslashes in the path. Next, in your robot file, import the secrets library. Use the getSecret keyword to read the robots_bin secret from your vault file. Access the username and the password with the key names. After these changes, the credentials are not hard-coded in the robot file anymore. Next, navigate to the Vault section in your Robocorp Cloud workspace. Add a new secret. Use robots_bin as the name of the secret. Add the username and the password. When you run your robot in the cloud, it can access the Vault secrets. To learn more about how to use Vault, visit us at Robocorp.com.